Making extra money on the side is not just about earning cash, it's about creating a safety net, paying down debt faster, building your savings, or funding your dreams. Side hustles are more accessible than ever, but to truly find success, you need to focus on realistic ideas that align with your skills, time, and resources. Let's break down some of the most practical and actionable ways to make extra money. Start freelancing in your area of expertise. If you've got marketable skills like writing, graphic design, social media management, or coding, freelancing can be a great way to monetize them. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn can connect you with clients. The best part, you can scale your freelancing to fit your schedule. Even if you dedicate just 5 hours a week, you can quickly turn your skills into cash. Offer a local service. There's always demand for help around the neighborhood. Think lawn care, snow removal, dog walking, or even running errands. Apps like TaskRabbit or Rover make it easy to connect with people who need help. These gigs don't require special skills, just a willingness to work, and the money can add up fast, especially if you live in a high-demand area. Become a virtual assistant. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need help managing their emails, scheduling, social media, or even data entry. As a virtual assistant, you can provide this support remotely. Platforms like Belay or Indeed have listings for VA jobs, and you can even offer your services independently. It's a great option for organized individuals who are good at multitasking. Sell unused items? Most of us have things lying around that we don't use: old clothes, furniture, electronics, or even collectibles. Decluttering your home and selling these items on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark can give you instant cash. Bonus: you'll enjoy a cleaner, more organized space. Drive for a rideshare or delivery service. If you have a car, driving for apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Instacart can be a straightforward way to earn extra money. The flexibility is a major plus since you can work whenever it fits into your schedule. Even a few hours a week can bring in some extra cash. Rent out your space or possessions. Have a spare room? Rent it out on Airbnb. Got a car you don't use every day? Turo lets you rent it to others. Even smaller items like cameras or tools can be rented out through platforms like Fat Llama. Renting is a passive way to generate income while leveraging assets you already own. Teach or tutor online. If you're knowledgeable in a specific subject, you can tutor students or teach online courses. Websites like Vipkid, Wyzant, or even Skillshare let you teach everything from math to creative writing. Alternatively, you can create your own course on platforms like Teachable or Kajabi to make passive income over time. Flip products for profit. Retail arbitrage, buying items at a discount and reselling them for a profit, is a lucrative side hustle. Search for deals at thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sections of big box retailers, then sell the items on eBay or Amazon. People have turned this into a serious business with consistent effort and research. Monetize your hobby. Whether you enjoy baking, woodworking, photography, or crafting, there's likely a market for your skills. For example, sell baked goods locally, create handmade items to sell on Etsy, or start taking family portraits on weekends. Doing something you love while earning money makes the effort more enjoyable and sustainable. Start a blog or YouTube channel. While it takes time to build an audience, blogging or vlogging can eventually become a profitable side hustle through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Focus on topics you're passionate about or have expertise in: fitness, finance, parenting, or cooking, for example. Consistency and value are the keys to success here. Participate in user testing or surveys. Websites like User Testing or Survey Junkie pay you to provide feedback on apps, websites, or products. While these gigs won't make you rich, they're easy and can add up over time, especially if you do them during downtime. Offer pet care services. If you're an animal lover, pet sitting or boarding can be a fun and rewarding way to earn extra money. Apps like Rover and Wag can help you find pet owners in need of help. Whether it's walking dogs, checking in on cats, or watching pets while their owners are away. This side hustle is both enjoyable and lucrative. Test your creativity with print on demand. Platforms like Printify or Redbubble let you design custom t-shirts, mugs, or other merchandise without managing inventory. You create the design and the platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service. It's a low-risk way to start selling unique products. Become an affiliate marketer. If you have a social media following or a blog, you can earn commissions by promoting products or services. Many companies offer affiliate programs, and you can sign up through platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareSale. Share products you genuinely believe in, and the trust you build will translate into sales. Start managing social media accounts. Many small businesses struggle to stay active on social media, which is where you come in. If you're good at creating content, writing captions, or growing an audience, you can charge businesses to manage their social media presence. It's a skill in high demand and relatively easy to learn. Offer niche skills as a service. Do you know how to edit videos, design websites, or translate documents? Even niche skills like voiceovers or resume writing are highly marketable. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to showcase these skills and connect with clients. Sell stock photos or videos. If you're into photography or videography, turn your work into passive income by selling it on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Companies and content creators are always looking for high-quality images and footage, and once uploaded, they can generate revenue repeatedly. Launch a subscription box. Subscription boxes have become increasingly popular in recent years. Whether it's skincare, snacks, or unique handmade items, you can curate a box that appeals to a specific audience. While it requires some upfront planning and marketing, the recurring revenue makes it a compelling side hustle. Start a simple consulting service. If you're knowledgeable in areas like career coaching, fitness, personal finance, or small business marketing, you can offer consulting services. Charge for one-on-one sessions, group webinars, or even downloadable guides. You don't need a fancy setup, just your expertise and a willingness to help others. Leverage your language skills. If you're fluent in more than one language, consider offering translation services or teaching language lessons online. Businesses, authors, and students are always looking for people who can help bridge language barriers. When choosing a side hustle, the most important thing is to start with what works for your schedule, skills, and financial goals. The key to success is consistency. Commit to showing up, learning as you go, and scaling when you see what works. Remember, even small efforts can snowball into significant results over time. Whatever side hustle you choose, take action today and start building that extra income.